everybody. Today I'm going to explain to you how to optimize the erosion process for helical solid-tipped PCD ball nose end mills. As you can see here, we have a ball nose end mill, which has got a helical flute, and it's based on solid-tipped PCD. The erosion operations are based on Anchor's grinding operations, so anyone who's familiar with the grinding operations will understand fully the erosion operations also. In here, we've chosen the OD and ball finish erosion. If I click on it and open the erosion tab, you can see that I've set up the passes already. I have an extra roughing pass, a semi-roughing pass, and an ultrafine finishing pass. I'm not going to play around with these settings because at the moment, they're adequate for what I need. To optimize the erosion process, we want to make sure that the dielectric coolant and the sparking wheel on the PCD are always maintained in maximum contact. And to do this, the best option for ball nose erosion is using the fixed point grinding method. This will make sure that the tool does not move up or down the B-axis, maintaining a proper erosion point, good dielectric supply, and an optimized erosion process.